Hey there everyone, I'm back at the Kennedy construction site. I noticed there was a yellow crane here, so I came over and I noticed that they're building another crane. And this crane here is supposed to be connected to a pile driver. It's going to be one hell of a pile driver. Wait until you see the height of this. It's about going to be about 8 to 10 stories tall anyway. I thought that yellow crane there was tall. This is going to be huge. Yeah, in just a moment, the reason why I'm doing this is because I went to come back home and put this video together, and I noticed the sound quality was really bad, so I'm going to have to get a new phone eventually within the next week or so, and a microphone to go along with it, so this would be a whole lot better. And you'll be able to hear me better instead of the sound coming in and out. So, but this is what I got to work with so far, and they're just slowly putting this crane together. But in a moment, you'll see another situation of this crane. It's unbelievable. So here we go. Yeah, and this is the next day. So yeah, it took me a bit. It was a while until this went up, so here it is at full. So I'll get the close-up of it in a moment here, so you'll see what's going on with it. And yeah, so this it's in the middle of May, so, and they said they're going to be done this construction by the fall of 2020 or 2026. Yeah, so we'll see, and it's taking them a while. They're plugging away at it, but the building is slowly starting to go up, and I'll get more of that footage when it's there. So I'm just getting the updated footage of this huge pile driver, and I did hear it working one morning. That's why I came out the next day, and then all of a sudden I got up close, and here they are just working on it. So I guess they hit it a couple of times, and something went wrong with it. So yeah, they'll be working on it for a bit. So, but yeah, there's going to be another at the end of this video. There's going to be an interesting thing I seen walking up here, a plaque that I'm going to show, and yeah, and I'll see you on the next video, I guess. So yeah, enjoy the rest of this video. And this is a huge pile driver. Can't wait to see it working. Alright folks, I will see you in the next video. Enjoy the rest of this video.